Okay, hi, my name is Bruce. A few years back, I was diagnosed as the kind of onset of cataracts, age-related for the most part, and we watched it and monitored it for a while. And I was driving home one night from San Gabriel Valley, and I realized that I couldn't see very well. I probably shouldn't have been driving. So at that point, it prompted me to follow up on the cataract surgery, and I had both my eyes done. I had LASIK maybe almost 20 years ago, so my left eye was not a candidate for a certain type of lens, but my right eye was. And I have to say that being coached through this was really important to the confidence I had once I went into the operating room. The knowing that there was a lot of good information for me. I had the ability to make decisions on my own that seemed to make sense. And when I got to the operating room, I was very confident that we were doing the right thing. The operating room is that it's kind of two steps. One, I opted for the laser cut, which I would recommend, um, and that's where that happens. And then the implant is in another room, so you have to kind of be prepared because you're twilight sleep during the procedures. Be prepared to be moved from room to room. Probably the most impressive part of all this was the doctor's ability to communicate with me and make me understand, which was really important to me, the process and the decision making and what the outcome should be. So I would recommend Dr. Tai without any reservation at all. Great communicator, great doctor, and I now can see, I think 20/15 is what I have now, and I'm not worried about night driving anymore. I don't have any halos. I feel like, at least visually, I'm 50 years younger. So that would be my testimony.